The DEWALT DWS780R double bevel sliding compound miter saw is a powerhouse tool designed to meet the demands of professional contractors and woodworking enthusiasts alike. With a robust 15-amp motor and a host of features aimed at precision and ease of use, this saw has garnered praise from users across various applications. One standout feature of the DWS780R is the integrated cutline blade positioning system, which provides adjustment-free cutline indication for enhanced accuracy and visibility. This system, coupled with XPS technology utilizing an LED to cast a shadow on the cutline, ensures precise cuts every time, without the need for recalibration. The saw's super-efficient dust collection system is another highlight, capturing over 75% of dust generated, thereby maintaining a cleaner work environment. The tall sliding fences accommodate sizable crown and base moldings, while the exclusive back fence design enables cutting of dimensional lumber up to 2x14 at 90 degrees and 2x10 at 45 degrees. Users appreciate the adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 10 positive stops, which enhances productivity and cutting accuracy. The saw's generous miter and bevel capacities, along with an oversized bevel scale, facilitate a wide range of cutting tasks with ease. Despite its power and capabilities, the DWS780R remains compact and lightweight, weighing in at 58 pounds, making it easy to transport and store. The cam lock miter handle with detent override ensures quick and accurate miter angle adjustments, further enhancing the saw's versatility on the job site. Reviews from users confirm the saw's performance and durability. Many users praise its precision and power, noting its suitability for various woodworking applications. The XPS crosscut shadow line system receives particular acclaim for its simplicity and effectiveness in guiding cuts. While the saw commands a premium price, users attest to its quality and reliability, affirming it as a worthy investment for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Overall, the DEWALT DWS780R double bevel sliding compound miter saw stands out as a top-tier tool, combining cutting-edge features with rugged construction to deliver exceptional performance.